Okay, guys, so remember, the way we find a volume of a curve is by using the formula pi times the integral from a to b of x squared dy. Now, when we have two curves, though, okay, remember, you have to do the top minus the bottom curve, so that's where this formula comes in. And I wrote everything with respect to x in this case. Now, a lot of these questions definitely come in the form of paper 2. So it's about knowing how to use your calculator. The book provides a method here. I'll provide a slightly different one, but the results are going to be the same. Anyways, we got to find the volume of a solid. I have two curves, y equals ln x plus 1 and y equals tan of x over 2. So let's go ahead and, through 2 pi radians, go ahead and type these into our function. I'm going to open up a graph. So ln of x, close the door, plus 1. There's my first curve. And tan x over 2. Tan x divided by 2. There's my second curve right there. Now look, I have a bounded region right here. So this is what we're looking for. If you just put your mouse, if you use the center of your calculator, and you just press and hold the axis, the hand will close, then you can move it. It's kind of center around this. And then anywhere on the white space, if you press and hold on the center, you'll be able to move it as well and drag. So let's go ahead. What we need is to set up our integral. So we need this intersection point, the x value of it, and the x value of this intersection point. So let's quickly do that. So analyze graph, intersection. There we go. Intersection. Oops, okay, got it. So next trick, let's store these. So if you press the control button, then control, I forget what the right click is. It's menu. So you're going to control menu. All right, then you right click. Right click the 0.467. Let's store it into, let's call it A. And then let's call this one, store it into B. Okay, now let's go to a calculator window and let's start setting up our integral. Another note, we have the blue function, which is ln x on top. So let's get going. So we have menu, calculus, numerical integral from a to b. I hope this works. What was on top again? ln function. So ln of x plus 1, yes, and then squared minus tan x divided by 2. This whole thing squared. Okay, and then I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, I put in my parentheses over here now. Should be good with respect to x. Hey, look, it works. So, oh, I forgot to multiply by pi. So let's control Z, and let's go ahead and put a pi symbol back here. And okay, there's my volume of revolution right there. So that's the volume of the solid that's formed. Okay, guys.